This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Yaris Cross battery, full guide. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then open the hood and locate the battery. Remove any plastic covers and note terminal positions with a photo. Use a wrench to loosen the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove the hold-down clamp to lift out the old battery safely. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal, then the positive, to avoid electrical shorts and sparks. Unscrew the hold-down clamp and remove it, keeping bolts in a safe place. Lift the battery straight up with a firm grip and set it on a protected surface to prevent damage. Inspect the tray for corrosion and clean terminals with a wire brush to ensure good contact before fitting the replacement battery. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video so we can keep making practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading during waits under the hood or while the battery charges, and it pairs nicely with hands-free brakes. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals to support the channel. Then now let's get back to the video. Position the new battery in the tray, ensuring correct terminal orientation, then reinstall and tighten the hold-down clamp securely without over-torquing. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and ensure both connections are tight and free of movement. Start the engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights, then test headlights, infotainment, and climate functions to confirm reliable electrical operation before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.